Everyone keeps telling me that the wooden gears on my car will wear out very soon, but that is not the case. They've been working just fine for like 3 years now. What breaks is literally everything else, like the rubber bands keep disintegrating, hydraulics seize up, speedometer has a mind of its own, and the clutch needs to be replaced as often as on like race cars. I don't think it'll even start because the motor has a tendency to catch on fire. But we can try. Well, that's kind of a surprise. Anyway, this thing's a mess. I don't know if I should do a restoration series on it or if I should just finally finish the new one.